Hi, this is Micah from WTI, and this is my copy of The Heart of the Plate by Mollie Katzen. This is a vegetarian cookbook. Mollie Katzen is one of the most influential vegetarian cookbook authors of all time, and she's famous for her first book from the 70s, the Moosewood Cookbook. And you could say this is kind of like the sequel to that book, whereas the Moosewood Cookbook was more straight up, straightforward recipes like lasagna, risotto. This one takes it further, and there's a lot of cool variations on familiar dishes. So, like for example, I can show you the section on pasta and noodles, and you can see right here that she's got many different recipes for things like mac and cheese or lasagna or just straight up noodles. So different variations on familiar dishes from a very reputable author. So this is a good cookbook for anyone who's interested in vegetarian cuisine and trying new things, and that's my point of view.